Hi everyone, welcome to the Jesse James Beads YouTube page. My name is Nealay Patel and I am a author, a designer, and an entrepreneur, and my job here at Jesse James Beads is to bring you guys fun, quick, fabulous projects using the ever glorious Jesse James Beads. And I teach you guys new and fun techniques. Some of these you might already know, but it's definitely great to practice old ideas, mixing it with some new and fabulous beads. Now, have I got a project plan for you today? I thought we could whip up some really fun and quick earrings using some simple techniques, but the beads will definitely speak for themselves. So I'm actually gonna turn my camera around so you guys can see what I'm talking about and see what's on my table. All right, guys, here's what we are working with today. Isn't this a gorgeous palette? What I've got here is a couple of eye pins, a couple of earring hooks. I've got these beautiful beaded connectors. These are from the Unicorn Playdate. Actually, all of these beads are from the Unicorn Playdate collection that's currently out. And these connectors are called the Unicorn at Dusk beaded connectors. Isn't that a fun name? And then we've got some beautiful tutu, they're called small tutu tassels. Try saying that 10 times in a row. And from that, we've got also these beautiful pink sugar pop beads, pink sugar pop boho beads. Now, check out how beautiful that is. It's such a great color. It's very vibrant, cheerful, and very unique for a boho bead. They've got these beautiful iridescent, almost cabochons, I guess would be the right term. They're in a rainbow tint, and I think they're just absolutely delicious. So I think we need to start configuring our earring, what we're going to make here. So what I'm thinking is that I would like to potentially put the small tutu tassel at the bottom, and then maybe connect this at the top and have my earring loop there at the top. Now there might be a little bit of a confused color palette in terms of gold and silver, but because I feel like the tassel has a gold cap at the top, I think that we should continue that color there at the top too with these particular eye pins and the earring hook, and I think that'll help to tie it all together. So I think that this is going to be a fun design. It's got a lot of movement and some great detail. So let's start connecting stuff together. Now I'm working with this pink sugar pop boho bead. All of the Jesse James beads are designed in-house, and they're actually created and dyed in their shop there that they have in Pennsylvania. And they're just really gorgeous. I'm trying to look for there it is. I'm looking for my round nose pliers. And what I want to also do is trim a little bit of this off. And I'm just going to use my Xuron flush cutters to do that. So we'll just trim this back a little bit. I don't need too much to work with. And all I'm going to do is just insert it into my pliers and work my way around to get a loop, and then just simply grab it at the very tip there where your wire ends, and you just simply pull back. It might separate a little bit, but that's okay. We can actually just push it back into position with our pliers, and there you have a perfect little simple loop. So that will then connect to this beautiful beaded component or a connector. Now this component is quite special. I keep calling it a component when it's actually a connector. But you have this abalone shell that has this beautiful stitched delica beads on it. Let me see if I can get some light under it. There we go. And it's got a beautiful slate blue, maybe a bone color, and a metallic mauve color delica combination. So I think that that's absolutely gorgeous. And these little loops here are made with small seed beads. And that is what we're connecting to first. So that looks good to me. And I think I want to connect my tutu tassel at the bottom to tie it all together. So I told you these were going to be really fun and easy, and the components here and the beads and the tassel really speak for themselves, in my opinion. Let's see if we can do the same here. So I'm just going to insert it into the boho bead, my other eye pin here. There we go. Trim it down with my flesh cutters. I just want roughly about a 1/2 inch or a little bit more. It just depends on the size of the loop that you're working with, or round nose pliers. In this case, these are quite tiny as it is, and so I don't need too much wire to work with. But you simply just loop it around, break that neck. If it separates, insert it back into your pliers and work it around just like that. Super easy. All right, I'm going to open up that simple loop, attach my connector, close it. Whenever you open and close those jump rings and these loops, make sure you do press it up or press it down, but not outside, because that will start to warp the shape, and that's not what we're wanting with these particular loops. So then you just press it back down, and voila. You can also, of course, attach the earring findings. Then we can't have an earring if we don't have the finding on it. And I'm going to do that to both sides, both earrings. Perfect. So guys, how would you change up this color palette? And do you love these unicorn playdate beads or what? Like, that is just absolutely fun and beautiful. So I'm actually going to turn the camera around and show you what we just made. All right, guys, wasn't that fun? I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. Check out what we just made. We made these beautiful earrings using these fabulous components. First of all, these are the pink sugar pop boho beads. The Jesse James beads are made in-house and even dyed, hand-dyed and made in-house. We've got these beautiful beaded components, connectors, excuse me. This is the unicorn at Dusk. And we've got these beautiful tutu tassels here at the bottom that we connected together. We learned how to make a simple loop to be able to connect our beaded component to the bead and then to the earring hook. So these were super fun and easy, and a quick pair that you could just throw on and be out the door. If you love these tutorials, please check out more of these on our YouTube channel. We've got a ton here that we have kept up to date with, lots of different ideas. Please keep subscribed if you haven't. That way you know what all the latest and greatest videos are. You will get an email about what's been uploaded very currently. You can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and do check out the website if you love these materials and want to purchase the exact beads that you need to make these earrings. Go to www.jessejamesbeads.com, and on there just search for beaded connectors and boho beads, and you will definitely find these in the mix. If you love me and love my work and love me as an artist, you could check out a few places where I'm at. First is on Facebook. Nealay Patel is who you'll want to search for. You can also check out my brand that I currently own called Silver Silk and More, and that's available on Facebook and Instagram, and my website www.silversilkonline.com, and there's a ton of tutorials that I do using Jesse James beads and silver silk on there. So guys, until next time, keep it friendly and fun and easy, and I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will catch you again here soon. Bye!